Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of office essentials with the ZARIMI Compressed Air Duster, the ultimate keyboard cleaner and dust-busting solution. Stay tuned as we explore its features and benefits in detail. Let's kick things off by introducing the ZARIMI Compressed Air Duster. Eco-friendly and energy efficient, say goodbye to traditional canned air. This compressed air duster is a game changer. It's rechargeable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly and energy-efficient choice. Forget about constantly buying canned air. This cordless air duster is a one-time investment that'll save you money in the long run. Powerful deep cleaning. The ZARIMI air duster packs a punch with its powerful wind force, ranging from 1.86 to 2.51 ounces. It continuously provides high-pressure air to tackle dust and debris on various electronic devices. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go in your car, this duster has you covered. Multi-use convenience. Not only is it great for cleaning computer keyboards and laptops, but it's also handy for cameras, car interiors, seats, blinds, and more. Thanks to its thin and long nozzle, you can reach those tricky corners and tight spots where your hand can't go. It's even useful for inflatables like airbeds and lifeboats. Various brush head nozzles. The ZARIMI air duster comes with a range of brush head nozzles to suit different cleaning tasks. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle, and it won't take up much space. Just switch to the appropriate nozzle, and you're ready to clean with strong, efficient airflow. USB charging design. Worried about battery life? Fear not. This air duster features a USB charging design with battery protection. It's essential not to charge the device immediately after use or when the battery is too hot. Simply wait for it to cool down for 10 minutes before charging. Plus, it comes with a charging cable for your convenience. Now that you've had a glimpse of what this air duster can do, let's explore it further. How easy is it to use the ZARIMI Compressed Air Duster? It's a breeze. This user-friendly device is as simple as can be. Just hold it comfortably in your hand, choose the appropriate nozzle, and unleash the powerful airflow to tackle dust and dirt effectively. But it's not just about cleaning keyboards. Let's talk versatility. Whether it's your laptop, camera, car interior, or even those hard-to-reach spots in your home or office, the ZARIMI air duster is a versatile tool that can handle it all. It's your go-to solution for maintaining a clean and dust-free environment. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied users. Users are raving about how this air duster has transformed their cleaning routines. Say goodbye to canned air and hello to a more efficient, eco-friendly solution. In conclusion, the ZARIMI Compressed Air Duster is a must-have addition to your office supplies. With its eco-friendly approach, powerful cleaning capabilities, and versatile usage, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to keep their electronic devices and workspace pristine. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Check the links in the description below to find the best deals on the ZARIMI Compressed Air Duster. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.